What is going on, guys? Philly here with the new video. I'm about to go meet up with some guy at the parking lot structure. I might sell him the Civic, so wish me luck. Alright guys, it's officially sold. It's gone. Shout out to this homie right here that bought it. What's up, bro? Bye bye. Alright guys, the fucking Civic's officially sold. Let's go home and start working on maybe one of the Z's. The wifey coming through. Rock Auto coming through with the new caliper. Alright, so quick update on the 370Z. I got my caliper and I got the shock and the axle. Alright, so my goal for today is to finish up the rear end and then try to finish the front so I can get it rolling today. Once I have the rear done, I'm gonna go to AutoZone and then go buy a front rotor to finish up the front end. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm a little sick, but that ain't stopping me from working on the car today. Alright, so I got all the arms on. I got the spring on, the little bucket, the axle is on. I just need to replace the shock, install the rotor and the caliper, and then put on the tire. But first I think I'm gonna have to bend this one back or else it's gonna hit on the rotor. I'm gonna get my pliers and bend it back. Alright, looks like I'm done. I just gotta install the wheel and the rear is done. Hell yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the front. That way we can remove the jack stands and hopefully drive it off. Alright guys, like I said before, the rear is done. Everything's tightened up. Drive shaft bolts, axle, all the arms are tight. Now for the front, all I needed was the rotor. I just got back from AutoZone and I got a new one, so I just gotta put it on, put the new caliper on, and we're all set. Let me go ahead and do that shit real quick, and then I'll update you guys right now. Wow, baby, look, check it out.
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
A ver, quítale el wrapper. Thank you. Thank you. I'm noticing that, let's see, I have my brake rotor and then I have my new caliper right here, but I don't have the fucking brake pads, so I'm gonna have to go and get some new brake pads so I can finish it off. I actually sent my girl right now to AutoZone to get the brake pads, so I'm just waiting on that. Meantime, I'm gonna try to install the caliper. Alright guys, so we have a situation. The bolts I was gonna use for the calipers are fucking bent. Check them out. I don't know if you guys can see them. But yeah, I removed them from the old spindle, and when I took them off, they were fucking bent. Literally, these bolts are the ones stopping me from finishing up the 370Z. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna hit up the shop. They have all kinds of fucking bolts. It's called King Bolt. They should have the bolts, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, and then we'll continue this. If it's not one thing, it's another. You guys already know how it is. What are you laughing for? Why are you laughing? Don't laugh at daddy, okay? But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.